Good morning children. Welcome back to the social science class. Do you all remember which topic we had discussed in our last class? Yes, major domains of the earth. And the first domain, lithosphere, we had completed. Today we will discuss about hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. First we will discuss about hydrosphere. Water covers a very big area of the earth's surface. And this area is called the hydrosphere. You know that the earth is called the blue planet. More than 71% of the earth is covered with the water and 29% is covered with the land. Hydrosphere comprises water in all its forms, that is water, ice and water vapor. More than 97% of the earth's water is found in the oceans and is too salty for human use. A large proportion of the rest of the water is in the form of ice sheets and glaciers or under the ground, and a very small percentage is available as fresh water for human use. Hence, despite being a blue planet, we face a shortage of water. Oceans are the major part of hydrosphere. They are all interconnected. The ocean waters are always moving. The three chief movements of the ocean waters are the waves, the tides and the ocean currents. The five major oceans are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Southern Ocean and the Arctic Ocean. We will discuss each of this ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and the deepest ocean. It is spread over 1/3 of the earth. Mariana Trench, the deepest part of the earth, lies in the Pacific Ocean. It is almost circular in shape. Asia, Australia, North and South America surround it. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean in the world. It is S-shaped. It is flanked by the North and South America on the western side and Europe and Africa on the eastern side. The coastline of Atlantic Ocean is highly indented. This irregular and indented coastline provides an ideal location for natural harbors and ports. From the point of view of commerce, it is the busiest ocean. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean named after a country, that is India. It is almost triangular in shape. In the north, it is bound by Asia, in the west by Africa and in the east by Australia. The Southern Ocean encircles the continent of Antarctica and extends northward to 60 degrees south latitude. The Arctic Ocean is located within the Arctic Circle and surrounds the North Pole. It is connected with the Pacific Ocean by a narrow stretch of shallow water known as Bering Strait. What is a strait? A strait is a narrow passage of water connecting two large water bodies like seas and oceans. We can discuss about atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gas called the atmosphere. This thin blanket of air is an integral and an important aspect of the planet. It provides us with the air we breathe and protects us from the harmful effects of sun's rays. The atmosphere extends up to a height of about 1,600 kilometers. The atmosphere is divided into 5 layers based on composition, temperature and other properties. These layers starting from Earth's surface are called the troposphere, the stratosphere, the mesosphere, the thermosphere and the exosphere. The atmosphere is composed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen, which make up about 99% of clean, dry air. Nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, and other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, and others comprise 1% by volume. Oxygen is the breath of life, and nitrogen helps in the growth of living organisms. Carbon dioxide absorbs heat radiated by the earth, thereby keeping the planet warm. It is also essential for the growth of plants. The density of the atmosphere varies with the height. It is maximum at the sea level and decreases rapidly as we go up. You know, the climbers experience problems in breathing due to this decrease in the density of air. They have to carry with them oxygen cylinders to be able to breathe at high altitudes. The temperature also decreases as we go upwards. The atmosphere exerts pressure on the earth. This varies from place to place. Some areas experience high pressure and some areas low pressure. Air moves from high pressure to low pressure. Moving air is known as wind. Next, we can discuss about biosphere. The biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between the land, water, and air. It is in this zone that life that is unique to this planet exists. There are several species of organisms that vary in size from microbes and bacteria to huge mammals. All living organisms, including humans, are linked to each other and to the biosphere for survival. The organisms in the biosphere may be broadly divided into the plant kingdom and the animal kingdom. The three domains of the earth interact with each other and affect each other in some way or the other. Emission from industries, thermal power plants and vehicles polluted the air. Carbon dioxide is an important constituent of air. But increase in the amount of carbon dioxide leads to increase in global temperature. This is termed as global warming. There is thus a need to limit the use of resources of the earth to maintain the balance of nature between the domains of the lithosphere, hydrosphere and the atmosphere. Okay children, we complete our chapter. So all of you should read the textbook and complete your notes. We will see next time. Thank you children.